Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about update queries. So as the name suggests, update queries are used to update the information present in our relational tables. So just let's get started with it. Suppose I wanted to increase the salary of each employee by 100. Then the query for that will be update, then the name of table, set salary is equals to salary plus 100. So basically the syntax of update queries is update, then we have to specify the table name of the table, then set whichever column we need to update, so name of the column, in this case it is salary, and equals to the value that we want to assign to it. Okay, so if we execute this query, then the salary of each employee will be increased by 100. So it shows the output as 6 rows updated. So just let's see whether rows have updated or not. Select star from EMP. Okay, so each employee salary has been increased by 100. Suppose we want to increase the salary of only specific employee, then we can use a where clause to filter the records. So suppose I write where e number is equals to 1. So in this case only the salary of employee number 1 will be increased. So the salary will be 7,200. Okay, so one row updated. Let's just test it. Yes, it is 7,200. Suppose you want to change multiple values at the same time, that is multiple columns, then also it is possible. So update emp set salary is equals to, let's say, salary minus 100, comma, then after specifying comma, we can specify all other values that we need to change. So let's say I change e name is equals to, instead of AAA, let me specify capital A, where e number is equals to 1. Still one row updated. So if we just test the output, then this time instead of small a we will have a capital A. Okay, so now it is also possible that these values can be specified. Suppose I write a query something like this: update emp set salary is equals to directly 5,000, where employee number is equals to 1. Now this is again a basic update query, but this time the salary is updated to 5,000. The basic difference between these two types of update is that set salary is equals to 5,000 and set salary is equals to salary plus 100 is this sort of updation we usually call it as a blind update, because in this case the previous value of the salary, which was, let's say, 7,000, was not taken into consideration. No matter what the value is, the updated value will be always 5,000. But in this case, first the value of the salary will be read from the table, and then some arithmetic operation will be done, either addition or subtraction, and based on the calculated new value, the value will be updated. Okay, suppose we again want to change the salary and employee name of employees, but there is another way to specify that. Update emp set salary comma e name. Let's say first we'll update salary is equals to salary plus 100 and e name is equals to e name. I will use a concatenation operator with high. So the output will be, let's just select select star from EMP. So this time each salary is increased by 100 and all the names, employee names, have been appended with high. There is another way we can specify this update query, just using update EMP, then set salary comma ename is equals to salary plus 100 and ename high. Okay, so let's try to execute this. Okay, we get the error. So basically, as we have seen, this sort of multiple column specification in a comma separated in a select query as well. In this case, whenever you want to update the values in case of multiple columns using comma separated value, then the right hand side must be a subquery, or it has to be a query. So instead of specifying directly salary plus 100 and ename high, what we need to specify is a select query which will give me a salary plus 100 and ename appended with, let's say, hello from EMP. Okay, we again get the error specifying that a single row subquery returns more than one row. So what is actually happening over here, whenever we are trying to setting the value of salary and ename, we are expecting this query to return only one record. So the one value of salary plus 100 and one value of ename appended with hello should be updated with sal and name. So as we already know, in such cases we can use a correlated subquery. So here we'll write where employee number is equals to e dot employee number. So this query will always return one record, and that one record will get updated values. Okay, so 6 rows have been updated. We'll just see the values. Select star from EMP. Okay, so we get these values. So value, then high that we have appended prior to this query, and then hello, and each salary is also increased by 100. So this was all about updating queries. So the syntax is update, then table name, set column is equals to value, comma column is equals to value, or we can specify a list of columns in a bracket, but in that case we'll have to write a query that must return a single record such that the output of that query will get updated with the values. So that's it for this tutorial. In next tutorial we'll discuss about delete queries, that says about how do we delete the records from table, delete some rows, and till then, happy learning.